How to use iMessage on Android. Hi guys, so in this video, I'll teach you how to use iMessage on Android. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So in order to use iMessage on Android, on your iPhone, you first need to install iMessage. So as you can see, iMessage, you can use the iMessage app for both iMessage and SMS, including short code text. So that just means that you need to install it first on your iPhone, and then from in there just sign in using your Google account. Now once you have signed in using your Google account, just head over to your Play Store and just search for iMessage right here. Now that this has been searched, just click on download, which is right here. Now since I've already downloaded it, I can now see and open, so I can now open it. Now, on the Google account that you have used on your iOS, you just need to connect your account using the sign in with Google. So just click on that and then sign in on the Google account that you have chosen earlier. And as you can see, it has been signing in, so let's just wait for it and it will check our connection. So what you need to do is to just make sure that your server can be reached. If your server cannot be reached, that just means that you have not yet finished setting up on your iOS. So just retry and retry until you have finished setting up your server. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to use iMessage on Android. If you have guys any comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.